Hello everyone, this is Mihan. Today video I will show you how to repeat row header on your table in Microsoft Word. For example, I have a table like this with the header, row header like that, and then when we come to next page, it like this. Every page, okay. Even you go to File and Print, you got page 1, and then change another page. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Every page with the. Okay, how we do that? First of all, just click anywhere in your table and then go to layout, usually the design, but this time we go to layout and we just need to select this one and then click repeat header row. Okay, just click that and then boom, you got that, right? Even when you go to File, Print, and then every page with that. Okay, how to remove it? Just click on row header like this and then click it. It will be removed automatically. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. See you next time.